All right, here's another question that comes up quite a bit. Does Tylenol break a fast? And Tylenol, also known as acetaminophen, is it okay to have that while you're fasting? Well, the short answer is it is okay to have it, and in most cases it doesn't break your fast. And that's because you can still get a bunch of health benefits even if you take something like Tylenol while you're fasting. Now, as always, when it comes to these little bits of this and that, things that, tiny bits of medicine or other things, in most cases, it depends on your goals, whether it's okay to have that when you're fasting. And here's what I mean. There are certain things you obviously can't have while you're fasting, like a bunch of sugar, a bunch of food. But if you're talking about a little bit of medicine or something, the question is, how strict are you trying to be? And that depends on your goals. If you're trying to maximize the cellular benefits like autophagy and things like that, then you might want to be extra, extra strict. But if you're just trying to kind of improve your blood sugar, kind of improve things like insulin resistance, improve your blood pressure, reduce body fat, then it's probably not going to matter at all whether you take Tylenol while you're fasting, most likely. I did look at the ingredient list of Tylenol just to double check, and I noticed they sometimes have cornstarch or some kind of modified starch in there. So technically that's like a little bit of carbohydrate, but chances are it's not enough to matter. So so basically it's probably fine to have a Tylenol while you're fasting. Now, I have a blog post that covers not only Tylenol, but other medications and talks a lot about, medications and fasting and how to think about that. So I'll put a link to that in the description below. If you found any value in this video, please hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button so I can answer more of your fasting questions in the future. My name's Ben. I'm a PA, which is similar to a doctor. I work in the emergency room. I've done family practice and urgent care, and I've spent a lot of time learning about fasting and nutrition so that I can help people like you begin to use it to improve your health. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.